Hi, y'all. Today, I'm about to announce that all my future videos are going to be hosted by me, the mascot for Bossa Beast. That's right. I'm going to be your new host for every episode. I'm just kidding. April Fools. Also, my mask fell off. Yeah, no, that's not gonna happen. But yeah, I'll be posting a video soon. I've been wanting to make a mascot actually. Not with my teddy bear. I got this when I was on my first Christmas. Wasn't even a year old, and I still have it 50 years later. Yeah, he's a little scarier now than when I got him. He's got the demon eyes. I've got the demon eyes. I am man. All right. See you guys later.